How to connect Polk Signa S2 soundbar to TV. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you'll learn how to easily connect your Polk Signa S2 soundbar to your TV using three different methods: HDMI ARC, optical cable, and auxiliary input. Whether you're aiming for the best sound or just a quick setup, this guide will help you get it right. Option 1. HDMI ARC. Let's start with the best option, HDMI ARC. Plug the HDMI cable into the port labeled HDMI ARC on your TV. Connect the other end to the HDMI ARC port on the soundbar. On your TV, go to Settings, Audio, Output, and select HDMI ARC or External Speakers. Make sure CAC or ARC is enabled, may be called AnyNet or SimpLink. Now, press the HDMI button on the soundbar remote. Done! You get a high quality audio and can control volume with your TV remote. Option 2. Optical cable. No HDMI ARC? No problem. Use the optical cable. Connect the optical cable from your TV's optical out to the optical in the soundbar. On your TV, change the audio output to optical or digital out. Press the optical button on the soundbar remote. Set audio format to PCM if there's no sound. Option 3. Aux cable. Basic setup. As a last resort, use an aux or RCA cable. Plug the aux cable into your TV's headphone or audio out deck. Connect the other end to the soundbar's aux in. Press the aux button on the soundbar remote. This is simple, but sound quality will be lower. And that's it. This was the tutorial on how to connect your Polk Signa S2 soundbar to your TV using different methods. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.